Hey guys, my name is Hayden Cassidy and I'm an Andis Global Educator. We're here today at my studio in London in the UK. Today I'm going to show you some of my favourite techniques that have helped me to become a successful barber. I hope you enjoy them and let's create together. In this video I'm going to create a high skin fade and a crop. I like to call this a high and tight crop, and it's very popular amongst my clients. We're going to start by using our Andis Cordless Master and our number 3 attachment comb. We're going to create a baseline around the edge of the haircut, which will start to begin our fade process. This will be a guideline for creating our fade. Next, I'm going to place my number 2 attachment comb, open a lever and repeat the process. When reaching my previous step, I'm going to use my C-shaped motion to fade naturally into my previous step. This fading is called descending fading. Once my 2 attachment comb open is created, I'm then going to close the lever and repeat the same process. Next, I'm going to use my 1.5 attachment comb and start to work just under where I've had my previous step. Next, my number 1 attachment comb, I'm going to repeat this exact same process. Once I've done that, I'm going to put my 0 attachment comb, open a lever and start to continue my process. Descending fading is a really nice technique for a quick fade, which I use a lot in my shop. Next, I'm going to use my Andis Slimline Pro Lithium Trimmer to start to create my 0 guideline. Because this is a high fade, we're going to take our guideline quite high, around from temple to temple. Next, I'm going to use my Andis Profile Lithium Titanium Foil Shaver Copper Edition and start to take the hair down below my 0 guideline down to 0. This will make the fade really sharp and really tight. Next, I'm going to use my Andis Master Cordless to create my next guideline with the lever open. We're going to create this guideline parallel to the 0 guideline we've created underneath. To remove the line we've created, we're going to open and close the lever and start to work with the corner of the blade to remove the line. Next, I'm going to place my 0 attachment comb to refine the blend and finish the fade. It's important to always continue to open and close the lever when needed. I like to use the corner of the clippers a lot, which allows me to work into weight that I can remove. Once that's complete, we're now going to start to work on our clipper over comb technique. This will allow us to connect the blend into the top. Once that's complete, we're going to refine the blend and create our edges. I'm going to use my Andis Slimline Pro Lithium Trimmer to create my sharp box and sharp edge of my haircut. Once that's complete, we're now going to start to work on the beard. I'm going to fade the underneath of the beard using a similar method to my previous fading technique. I'm going to start by creating my 0 guideline, and using my Andis Master Cordless, I'm going to start to flick into the shape of the beard, creating a nice blend and fade. Using my number 1 attachment comb, I'm going to smooth the beard out and start to begin my outlines of the beard with my Andis Slimline Pro Lithium Trimmer. we're going to create a nice sharp edge for our beard. This will contrast nicely with the fade underneath the beard. To finish, we're going to use our Andis Copper Pro Foil Lithium Titanium Foil Shaver to take the hair down to skin. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed some of the techniques I've shared with you. Enjoy using them in your everyday salon or barbershop, and I hope to see you soon.